Dear future boyfriend, I tried indoor skydiving today and here's what happened. I went to iFly Singapore in Sentosa Island and booked their indoor skydiving package. So eto pala yung kanilang rates, but I booked mine via Klook.
A flight suit as well as helmet and goggles will be provided. Once in, open up into a stable body position, holding your chin high. The wind will pick you up so you'll be floating, normally at waist to chest height. With the help of your instructor, you'll learn to get into a natural body flying position.
Since wala akong kasama dyan and wala ka pa, so tripod lang muna yung ginamit ko mag-video dyan. Kaso medyo malayo lang and may dalawang glass na pagitan. And ang sarap sana kung ikaw yung kasama kong lumilipad dyan. Magpakita ka na nga kasi.